Mm-hmm. Oh, not bad.
Well, in the name of the Queen, what are you doing now?
Oh, I didn't see you there, Edwin. But I need some help with the laundry. Come hither, please.
Well, it's pretty self-explanatory, really.
Maybe this will help Edwin clean up his act.